Is your Spectrum cable box shutting off unexpectedly? It's likely due to power save settings designed to reduce energy consumption. Spectrum cable boxes are equipped with an automatic feature that puts the box into a low power state, standby, or eco mode after 2 to 4 hours of inactivity to comply with Energy Star standards. However, this can be frustrating if it happens during active use. Inactivity is determined by a lack of remote or app interaction, not necessarily a lack of signal. So even if you're watching something, the box might think you're not there. To stop your Spectrum cable box from automatically turning off, you need to adjust or disable the power save settings. You can do this either through the Cable Box menu or the Spectrum app. Via Cable Box menu, press the menu button on your Spectrum remote. Navigate to Settings, then Power, and finally Eco Mode. Here you can either turn Eco Mode off or extend the inactivity timer to 4 hours or more. Via Spectrum app, open the Spectrum app on your smartphone or tablet. Go to the Services tab, select your TV service, and then choose Manage Equipment. Find the cable box you want to adjust and look for Power Save Settings. You should be able to adjust or disable the settings from there. If that doesn't work, try unplugging the box for 30 seconds to reset it.